Good morning. How are you all today? I hope you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Actually, I am not used to speak in public place, so sorry for my shortcomings. Otherwise, I will try my best. So today our topic is about our favorite teacher. Here I go. Firstly, who is a teacher? A teacher is a person who helps others to acquire knowledge. In a word, a teacher is a person who teaches or instructs his students, especially as a profession. A good teacher is like a candle for his students. Teaching has always been a good profession. No good teacher thinks about his own success. He always thinks about his students' future. In my opinion, a good teacher should be one who puts his heart into teaching. A teacher, the role of a teacher in a child's life is very crucial. Being a teacher is not an easy task. He has a great responsibility as the present and future of the student. What a student becomes, it is the result of what all he takes from his teacher. Every student has a favorite teacher in their life. I have one too. He is our one and only Amin sir. He is the best teacher I ever had in my life. Sir, we are not the best students, but you are the good teacher we could ever ask for. Thank you for accepting us. Everyone give a big hand for our teacher. Thank you everyone.
Request,